If I got up on a lean, I'ma sip. Blood in my eyes, dog, and I can't see. I put a hole in it, nigga, fuck it with me.
Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon. What time is it? About 12 something?
I'm pretty sure it's morning.
It's
I think
about,
it's 11 something.
it's about,
it's probably 12
this is
something.
12 something. Check, just to be, just.
I thought that said 2:49. I'm about to say, whew.
It's 12:49, almost 1 o'clock. We are here at IKEA, here in Charlotte, North Carolina. A 2-hour ride, and it was the best. Here with my best friend. My bestest friend in the whole wide world.
My bestest friend in the whole wide world. My bestest friend in the whole wide world.
We're here to get a few things for the house, for her office.
Particularly.
We're coming to get some bookshelves and some, I don't know, just whatever we find.
Yeah, mainly bookshelves for
Bookshelves for our office.
Yes.
And if I could find some floating shelves for the man cave to put my PS4 and like the little cable box thing on, that would be great. Yeah, I love coming to IKEA. The only thing I don't like about it is IKEA, you gotta put everything together yourself. So whatever we buy today will probably be put together by the end of the month.
fun either.
I don't know, I kind of like walking through. I don't know, I guess it gets kind of long. It is long. It's long for sure. We're about to walk in.
We only come like twice a year,
Yeah.
so there's really not much to complain about.
And I don't think we come to the same one. Like if we go to the one in Atlanta, we'll go to the one in Charlotte next time. We'll
Yeah.
switch it up.
This one's easier to get to.
Yeah, we like the one here in Charlotte. We're in and let's have fun.
Too big? Too much?
Yeah, I think that's a little bit too big.
I love that.
But it's nice. I like this.
I love these.
If we're gonna have our closet like that and then have a little drawer thing down there.
Tear down all them stupid wires.
Oh yeah, you gotta.
About 7 of them in there.
Oh yeah, I gotta do this myself. I gotta do this myself. I gotta do this myself.
Yeah, what you doing?
I gotta install the closets myself. So it looks like we'll never. She done found something. She done broke out the measuring tape. What she done found.
That's nice.
It is. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Or you like shelves?
When you say shelves, what do you mean?
I'll show you when we get
Like these over here?
no.
No. Or like that. That's you already got something like that.
I'll show you. Keep this in mind.
All right, keep that in mind. I like that.
This is one and that's one. So. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Perfecto.
Perfecto. Either 2 of these or shelves. I kind of like it that light. That makes it look really cool.
One thing I love, absolutely love about IKEA is just walking through and looking at how they got the rooms set up. It's like just going to different people's apartments.
Must be secured to the wall. Oh.
Okay, so now I'm in my chair. I think I found a chair that I like. It's a full recliner. And not only do I like it because it's a recliner, it's like a couch recliner because my best friend can sit along and recline back with me.
I'm about to go to sleep. You better get me out of
You
here.
can kick back, relax.
I didn't get all my 8 hours in the night last night.
You didn't? Why? Oh, you didn't get your 8 hours.
I don't know. I just didn't. I could feel it in my body when I don't get my full hours.
You can feel it in the. You can feel it in the air.
I could feel it in the air. I can hear it in your voice. You should be able to feel it in the air, hear it in my voice.
I like this chair.
Not bad.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
You probably get all jacked up after like, that's probably just catch. You're catching this leather stuff start peeling after like
Oh yeah.
2 months.
Oh yeah. Leather, fake leather do be peeling
Unless
and
if
all
you stay
that.
in that little crusty man.
Okay, and as we're moving through IKEA, we have moved past the bedrooms and all that bedroom put together stuff, and now we're moving through the accent chairs and I guess, I don't know what you would call this area, the bookshelves and desk and office materials, office items, storage, or whatever you want to call all of that.
This is nice. Oh wait, I don't know what that is.
What is it?
I was trying to figure what.
It's a Besta Rikivik Kingpin.
This, two of these in white on either side of my desk in my office. What you think?
I like it. Do they have it in white?
And that's a smaller one.
Ah.
I love this. This glass is nice. It don't look dusty and crusty.
It's sturdy.
It's got a matching credenza.
That's called a what?
Well, it's kind of like a credenza, sort of like.
Credenza or credenza? Credenza.
But maybe not exactly. I think I like those. That's half my office furniture right there.
Yeah.
Two of those on either side of my desk, and this on the right side. You take pictures.
That is nice.
This is really nice. You know what bothers me?
What?
That ain't down there to go behind this. That's lined up like that so you can see it through there.
Yeah, that one piece of glass right there.
That bothers me.
Can you change them? Can you move them?
You can
adjust
move it
them?
up, but then it's gonna be right under there. It's gonna be weird.
You can move it. They got a hole right there.
Where? I'm saying, you gonna move it right here?
Right here.
Okay, so it can be this far away from this glass?
Or you just gonna have to move that one up.
Move them all up? Oh, move that one down.
Yeah, you
That
move.
might not make it weird.
Or you
Yeah,
take.
because that could go down plenty.
You can take some of them out.
Oh, true. Get rid of like one of them.
Yeah.
This is really nice.
I'm starting to see a common thing.
What?
You're starting to say everything's nice.
Tell me this ain't
And you're
nice.
starting, ooh, I like that, I like that.
This is really nice and sturdy.
It is really nice.
This is too.
Oh, you see that too.
Oh, that's a lot. I can lock you out.
I ain't trying to be in there.
I guess you're not building me another
Alex drawer? I can, yeah. I'll build another
That's a
one.
lot of money for some drawers. I'm not paying them that again.
I mean, but you used them though, so.
I did. They were functional.
Now we're leaving the bookshelves and the closets and the chairs and all that. Now we are walking through the kitchens. I love the kitchen places. They have refrigerators. They have like the whole, it's amazing.
You're going too fast.
The amazing thing about IKEA is they have the entire room set up. It's like you're just walking through different kitchens. Like each room is just set up like a whole different room. I love it.
Okay, this is the cooking part. The kitchen part.
Yeah.
Do we need this? No?
Do we have
Get
it?
the one from Monica.
Yeah. I don't think we need any more kitchen utensil stuff because.
Ooh, that's cute.
What is it?
Stuff.
You like the?
I like the light wood.
You like the knife thing?
Mm-hmm.
But we have one exactly like this
I
one.
know. I don't want it.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
A chopping board.
Yeah, we have a nicer one though.
A basket.
Alright, I think she's getting carried away now.
Yeah, that's $20. I couldn't do that. Oh, what about this? This I want. It's $8.
What is it? This?
I don't know. I'm gonna put some fake.
Well, it's a vase with.
It's
What
a
is?
vase.
You say vase, I say vase.
It's cute. I can put some decor in.
What's in there?
Fake limes, I think.
I love this kitchen. I love the wood
What
cabinetry.
if I put my sugars and stuff? What's this?
Milk bottle jar.
I want one.
What is it?
But you said it's a milk jar?
Girl, I was just saying
But
anything.
you get them big milks.
Yeah, I get a gallon.
This will be nice and aesthetically pleasing. What if you could start decreasing your milk usage so I could get.
Well, I am
half a
lactose
gallon.
intolerant, so. Or I could just get a regular milk thing and you just pour half the milk in there for the week.
That's not cute. That's not cute. That's not cute. That's not
Oh,
cute.
because milk usage has to be cute. So.
There, to be honest.
It's all good.
What if we had one of these? Remember you wanted to put something in the middle?
In the middle of what?
Hello.
What floor? The living room or the kitchen? In the kitchen? Oh yeah, island. Ooh. Now that I think about it, I think it would be too big.
I think it will be too, but that's
That's on me, baby. Cutting board.
No, it is not.
It is a cutting board.
This is huge.
That's a huge cutting board.
It's a lamp league.
A lamp leak. Which means it's cutting board.
Oh, they got pulls and...
Yeah, we can change the knobs on our cabinets.
We could.
Because you don't like the oil rub
I
stuff.
don't, but I love that.
The silver?
Are you gonna change it out?
Yeah.
How many oil rub things do we have?
Oh, we should have went through and counted.
Upstairs. It's just upstairs in the bathroom.
It's just upstairs?
Downstairs isn't oil rubbed. It's black. It's silver. It's silver downstairs, remember? I love
But I
that.
thought you don't like that shit.
I don't, but if I'm gonna keep it, then I'm gonna keep it. Those. I really don't know how many. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. That is so cool. For your cabinet, bro?
Yeah.
So nice. For your cabinet. Issues, I don't have any, no plates. If I had some, maybe I can put my paper plates in there, my paper bowls.
Girl, stop.
Get around.
Well, we got a better one of those. Shouts out to Monica. So, earlier in the video we said we came in for a shelf or closet. Meanwhile, our bag is full of stuff and not one thing is a closet or a shelf. Oh, wait, can you see me? Can you see me? Wait. Oh, there we go. Oh, is it? There we go. All right.
You just gotta touch the screen.
So we have left the kitchen area and now we're going through the bedrooms. You can always tell when you're about to reach the end of IKEA when you come through the children's section. So yeah, maybe we should take a shortcut and like try to speed it up, go through here. We don't need anything in this section. I don't need her to get any ideas. I think she will.
It is cute.
Yeah, some of the stuff is
Look at that
cute.
little bed.
See, there she go. So yeah, let's get out of this section. So we have never eaten here at IKEA before out of the many times that we've been here. And Shay says she's heard that the food slaps. Now, what have you heard about the food?
Stop in here, make sure to stop in here and get you some food because it's good.
I mean, it looks like they have a whole kit. Oh, do we just leave our stuff right there? Should I stay with it?
I don't think nobody wants what's in there.
No. So yeah, y'all, they got like a whole kitchen, a buffet. I don't know what all they got, but I saw on the side that they had chicken tenders. So I'm about to see what the chicken tenders are hitting on. Ooh, chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
You just grab it.
Oh, they got chocolate cake. I don't know how it works. Oh yeah, I guess it.
Blueberry raspberry cheesecake.
Now, back to shopping. Oh, now we're in the cook shop downstairs, the downstairs area for like little utensils. We're probably gonna look for some like pots and pans and some cookware so your girl can get to cooking. Cause you know I like my huh?
What girl?
You
You must got somebody on the side. Huh? He got somebody on the side when I'm out of town. I'm gonna be out of town next week.
Big pot. Big pan, big pot. Can't have a big pan without a big pot. Ooh, what about these? You need one of these? This would be come in handy.
What it is? Trivets?
Oh, this one too. Yep, see, look.
You say trivia, I say limply. So we were gonna get some pots and pans, but we weren't aware of how expensive pots and pans were.
Oh, look, a bakery.
Or you could put that on the grill and cook. But yeah, we're playing the prices right. How much do you guys think this pan is? It's pretty heavy. It's from IKEA.
That's a good pan though, let me see.
$35.
I can't even carry this, really.
Yeah, sure enough can't cook with it now.
It's a good one though, you gonna get it?
Oh, I guess I do need a little...
Alright, when you run it, when you get it.
Alright, cool, come on, let's get it.
I can't bear the thought of putting it in here, so you gotta do it.
Well, I can't bear the thought of spending money on it.
And I can't bear the thought of doing that either, so who will put it in here?
Who's around? Who can I ask?
Wait, I think if we should spend such an amount, it should have a lid, no?
Right, true, yeah, because we need to like simmer some stuff, so that's not the one. Good thinking.
Thank you. Oh look, I tried it.
Alright.
This comes in handy for people with granite countertops. You can't cook really hot stuff.
True. Yeah, I guess we could get one of those. I do, I like that one. I like it. Alright, looking for a pan or a pot with...
I just want a roly. Is that what you call it? With a dabber?
Is that what that is?
It's a roly thing. Oh.
This is nice, that's a spice
That
thing.
salt thingy? Oh.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like... That's the song you should have been singing.
They gotta be some cheaper pans.
Yeah, it's gotta be a cheap section somewhere. Those are the pans we got last time.
Sure
Shoulda
is.
hit.
We still got them.
Yeah. Why are pans so expensive? Oh, that one's heavy.
Dude.
That must be cast iron. Oh,
That's for natural people. No, really.
people that cook using the
They care
earth.
about the air. I mean, I do, but I don't have $40 anyway, so.
These are the pans we got last time, but they ain't come with lids.